Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Gugulethu Sithole and I am back with another video. On today's video, we're going to make chicken wings. Very yummy and juicy chicken wings, you guys. These are oven grilled chicken wings and it's very simple. Well, I always try to make my recipes very simple to follow. And I like recipes that are easy to follow, recipes that are simple. So the first thing, guys, I'm just going to drizzle some oil. It's about a spoon or teaspoon or 2 teaspoons of oil, and so that my seasoning can stick to my wings, you guys. That's the only reason why I add oil. And then I'm gonna go in with my seasonings, guys. It depends on whatever you want to use. It's just personal preference, you guys. I'm not gonna say use these spices or use these seasonings and don't use the other. It all depends on what you prefer. So now I'm just seasoning my chicken to my satisfaction. And guys, I love this seasoning. This one, I love it. It's a roast chicken seasoning from Pick n Pay. Okay, now I'm just making sure that my wings are coated with my spices. Just adding just a little bit more of my Robinson's steak and chop spice. This is how my wings look like right now. They're beautiful. They look so perfect already. Okay guys, now I'm going to transfer all my wings to my baking tray, you guys, before putting them in the oven. And then I'm just gonna oil my tray and then just line my wings. Now I'm only just transferring my wings to my tray, my baking tray. Guys, another thing, my oven is already preheating on 190, and I'm going to grill these wings on 190. It all depends on your oven, guys. It depends on how hot your oven is. My wings are ready to go in the oven. I'm just going to grill this for about 35 to 40 minutes, guys. Okay guys, this is after 20 minutes, and this is how our wings are looking at the moment. Okay, the smell, the aroma, guys. Okay guys, the reason why I'm brushing it like this is so that it doesn't dry, guys. I want my chicken juicy and yummy. I'm just getting each and every part of it. I'm just brushing each and every part of it with its juice, you guys, so that it doesn't dry. And the flavors, guys, the juices have a lot of flavors from the chicken. Okay, my wings are going to go back to the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes, you guys. I do not want my wings too dry, and I don't want them too crispy. I just want them juicy on the inside and juicy on the outside. Okay, guys, this is just parsley. Guys, I don't like to put my parsley at the beginning when I bake or when I grill my meat. I always like to put it when I'm halfway. Like right now, my wings have been cooking for 20 minutes, and now they're gonna go into the oven for about 15 minutes or 50 to 20 minutes. Ooh, just the way I like it, guys. If you want your wings crispy, you can leave them in the oven for a bit longer. Mine, I like mine like this. This is what I'm going for today. Juicy, juicy, juicy. They look so yummy, guys. Ooh. They're not, guys. If you want, another thing you can do if you want your wings to be crispy, when you season them, you can put just a little bit of bicarbonate of soda, which is baking soda, and then you're just gonna be crispy. This is how I like mine. Okay, guys, thank you so much, guys. Thank you for support. Thank you for the love. See you on my next one, guys. Thank you. Bye.